Hi everybody, welcome to Photomikes Garage. Today we're going to work on the Jeep. Alright, so this is our 2014 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon and we love it. We love it. I'm definitely a Jeep person. I've been driving this thing for years, daily often, and it's been reliable. It gets me where I want to go. I can go off-road, I can do anything I want. Love the Jeep, love the look, love everything about it. I think everyone should own a Jeep, at least once in their life. I think your grandmother should own a Jeep. But they're not perfect, they have problems. One of the problems is they leak. They leak like a sieve. It's terrible. The design of the seals around the door, the sealing surfaces, they did something wrong. It was probably done on a Monday and they were drinking too much. But the point is that it leaks, often from the front doors, and often, I'll bring you in here. So most often you're gonna have a big rainstorm or rain, any rain at all, and you're gonna get in and you're gonna smell a musty odor when you get inside your Jeep. And it's not just because you farted, it's because water is in your Jeep. Water is often right here on the floorboards, right here. So there is a rain gutter right here. Water comes down, hits the rain gutter, and it goes off down here, and it goes off right here. And once it comes off the rain gutter, it comes down your door, and it also goes right into the channel between the door and the frame, right where you have a rubber seal. Inside there's a rubber seal all the way down and around. And what happens is that this rubber seal does not seal very good, and the water often gets through some point. It gets through at some point, often right here, because we have a complicated joint area where the rubber meets this little pad here. Anyway, the water can come through here, and then once it's on the inside, it comes back down here, and then often it comes off here, flows across onto your floor, and then you have a wet floor. And it's a common Jeep problem. Now, obvious answer is to replace all your rubbers. All these rubbers that go around the entire door can be replaced. Now I looked it up on Amazon. You can actually get a full door rubber for a Jeep Wrangler for around $150, but don't do it. Those are aftermarket, they're cheap, and they got terrible reviews. Probably you're gonna spend the money and still have a leak after you're done. So a lot of people say the only way to go is to go to Jeep and get the OEM, the official product, but they're so expensive. $500 for a complete set for the doors. It seems excessive. So right now, being cheap as I am, I'm looking for a temporary, different alternative. Try and put some extra sealing on the sides here. I found that that's just a temporary fix, doesn't really work, but I found something on Amazon that might just do the trick, at least for a while, until I save up the money for the OEM door weather stripping. And that is right here. These are super cheap. I'll put a link below where you can get these. But basically, these are rain gutter attachments. They attach to the front rain gutter. They're made out of ABS plastic. And see, they have double sticky tape everywhere. There's different versions of these. This may not be the best one. This is the one that came. But I'm going to give this a try. So basically, I'll show you what this is going to do. Remember where I said the water's coming down here? And this rain gutter protects the water from coming down right here, but it does come out right here. That's where the rain gutter ends. Comes down into your weather stripping right here, and that's where the leak is. So what if you had a channel, a rain gutter channel extender like that, right? This is just gonna 3M sticky tape on there. And let's see. Yeah, so from above here, you can see how there's the rain gutter. And we're going to just put this sucker right here. It's going to stick on. Now, how good it's going to handle the wind and everything, I really don't know. I really don't know. But that's going to extend your gutter. It's going to extend your gutter so the water, instead of going down to the weather stripping channel, it's going to go around and down your front windshield. It's going to go down here. But wait, before I put them on, let's demonstrate what I mean by the water going down the weather stripping with an actual physical demonstration. Yes, I have water here. Okay, so I have water here. I'm gonna pour it down and let's see where the water goes. It's gonna hit the rain gutter, then what's gonna happen? Let's find out. Yes, this is exciting. don't know if you can see, we got a white Jeep here. Here comes the water. Here comes the water. Oh, there you go. See? There you go. The water is coming down the side of the door. And more water. Yes, 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 yes. You can see the water coming down. The water's coming down here, down the rubber weather stripping, and then it's going to get into the car. Okay, first of all, another thing too, when you open the door when you're in the rain, the gutter drips right here. That's so annoying. Now those rain gutters are going to stop that. They're going to stop that. Yeah, before I stick the rain gutter on, of course, I'm going to make sure that the surfaces are completely clean and free of any oil and dirt so that the 3M tape will stick. Also make sure there's no water in here because that won't be good. Okay, so I got all the double sticky tape ready to be sticky. Let's put her on. Okay. It's stuck on. That's the only thing is that once you put it on, you ain't getting it, you ain't moving around too much. So, okay, it's installed. Double sticky taped on. Does stand out if you got a white Jeep. It would be better if this was a black Jeep. You wouldn't see it, but still, there is my gutter diverter. Yeah, so they do give you a little bit of black sealant that you can use to fill over this little crack right here so that the water will go straight into the gutter and around and down the windshield. One more thing, this type of rain gutter extender that uses the double sticky tape is not necessarily the best one because obviously you can't take off your Freedom tops while you have this because you got double sticky tape holding on to the front header as well as to the Freedom top. So obviously it's not the best idea if you're going to be taking those on an awful lot, which I never do. So for me it's fine, but just to know. I think there's another style that clips on more securely right here and doesn't have any double sticky tape here. And with that style, you could take off the tops. Now it's time for the test. Let's see if this works. So everything's installed. Got my little gutter extender horns on. Now, let's find out what happens. Okay, you can see that it goes down the front of the windshield instead of down here, see? All right, so there you have it. The rain gutter extenders are installed and they do work, at least so far. Will they fly off on the highway? I'll let you know if they do. But anyway, thanks for watching Photomikes Garage. I will see you next time.